This is question number 14 from GS paper 1 of Mains 2022 examination. This question has two parts. First is that what are the forces that influence ocean currents, and the second is that describe the role of ocean currents in fishing industry of the world. Now let's see the answer. Ocean currents are the continuous, more or less permanent movement of seawater. They are there at water surface and in deep sea. The forces that influence the ocean currents, the forces that create the ocean currents are as follows. First is winds. Due to friction of wind with the surface water, the sea water starts moving in direction of wind. For example, in equatorial region, the wind blows from east to west and it takes ocean water towards west. Westerlies blow from west to east. They create the ocean current moving toward east. Second is due to Coriolis force created by rotation of Earth, the ocean currents flow in clockwise direction in northern hemisphere and in anti-clockwise direction in southern hemisphere. Next is temperature. Due to temperature difference, the water density differs. At equatorial region, high temperature raises the surface water temperature. Due to high temperature, the density of water decreases and water expands. As a result, the warm surface water move towards poles. Next is salinity. The ocean regions where ice formation occurs or there is high rate of evaporation due to high temperature, the salinity of surface water is high and the water will be more dense. The dense water sinks and moves towards areas of lower density, and this is called underwater or deep ocean or the deep ocean current. Next is land masses. When the moving ocean currents hit the land masses like continents or islands, they change their direction depending upon the shape of the continent or island. Now, the next part is role of ocean currents in fishing industry. Ocean currents have created the fish-rich regions at specific locations in the world. The places where warm and cold current meets, these are the areas where there is abundant growth of plankton. The plankton is a food for fish. These areas attract fish, and so the fish population is high in such areas. These areas are the best fishing grounds in the world. For example, confluence of cold Oyashio current and warm Kuroshio current near Japan has led to creation of most prominent fishing ground. Upwelling currents bring cold nutrient-rich water from deep ocean to the surface. Plankton growth is abundant in such areas. These areas are suitable for fish growth and are the best fishing grounds. Rich fishing grounds along west coast of Africa and South America are supported by year-round upwelling in the seas.